Welcome to Vanessa Graphics. If you love home design, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button for daily tips and inspiration. Bathing in nature. Oak floors, marble walls. Imagine stepping into a bathroom that seamlessly blends natural elements with modern design. Bathing in nature invites you to experience tranquility, elegance, and a harmonious connection to the outdoors. Let's explore the key features of this captivating space. Rustic oak flooring. The foundation of this bathroom is the rustic oak flooring. Each plank tells a story, its knots, grain patterns, and imperfections reflecting the passage of time. As you walk barefoot, the warmth of oak embraces you, grounding you in nature. Whether it's morning rituals or evening relaxation, the oak floor sets the stage for serenity. Picture the gentle creak of the wood as you step out of the shower, the texture underfoot reminiscent of forest trails. Veined marble walls. The walls adorned with veined marble evoke a sense of timeless luxury. The cool, smooth surface resembles ancient sculptures, and the delicate veins create a visual dance. Imagine the play of light as it dances across the marble, casting gentle shadows. The walls become a canvas, a testament to both craftsmanship and the earth's artistry. Run your fingers along the veins, their cool touch a contrast to the warmth of the oak floor. Abundant natural light. Large windows frame the bathroom, allowing sunlight to flood in. The leaves of nearby trees filter the light, creating a soft, dappled effect. As you soak in the tub or stand under the rain shower, you're bathed in nature's glow. It's a daily ritual, an intimate connection to the changing seasons and the rustling leaves beyond the glass. Listen to the distant chirping of birds as you towel off, the soundtrack of the forest. Minimalist fixtures. The fixtures are elegantly minimalistic: a freestanding bathtub with sleek lines, a marble-topped vanity, and brushed metal faucets. They don't compete with the natural beauty but enhance it. The simplicity invites mindfulness. Each touch, each splash of water, a mindful act in this sanctuary. Imagine the weight of the metal handles, the smooth turn of the faucet, a deliberate pause in your day. Conclusion: bathing in nature. Oak floors, marble walls transcends mere functionality. It's an invitation to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the interplay of materials. As you towel off, wrapped in a plush robe, you carry a piece of the forest with you, a memory etched in oak and marble. The bathroom becomes a sanctuary where time stands still and the elements converge.